Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is January 31st, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Amazon eyes OpenAI stake. Nothing keeps Phone 3 flagship. AI for IT security workshop. Genie rattles game stocks. This episode is sponsored by Pickard. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. Amazon is reportedly negotiating an investment of up to $50 billion in OpenAI, part of a plan to raise $100 billion and value OpenAI at up to $830 billion. SoftBank may invest up to $30 billion. The deal would tie Amazon's AWS to OpenAI models for integration across Amazon. Training costs and talent competition drive OpenAI's capital needs. Amazon backed Anthropic and financed an $11 billion data center. OpenAI is lining up banks for an IPO. Both firms burn billions and face competition and legal pressure, including Elon Musk's suit seeking up to $134 billion. Nothing will skip Phone 4 in 2026. Phone 3 remains the flagship, CEO Carl Pei said. Pei said the company will avoid yearly flagships, shipping only meaningful upgrades. Phone 3 gets priority software updates, especially AI tied to the essential apps from 2025. Those features move from alpha to beta, with some later reaching the A series. Nothing will prioritize mid-range phones. Phone 4a aims for flagship quality in materials, screen, and camera. Pei warned memory demand from AI infrastructure will push smartphone prices up in 2026. New headphones, possibly over-ear, are expected by the end of March 2026.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickard's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickard.de. Pickertde. The IX Workshop presents how artificial intelligence can be applied to IT security, surveying methods, tools, and practical applications. AI-based tools can detect vulnerabilities faster and support targeted analysis, helping teams run security processes more efficiently and gain time over attackers. The program clarifies when AI is useful and when traditional methods remain preferable. About 25% of each day is hands-on practice. It targets security-minded IT staff and managers. Trainer Eves Kraft leads OneConsult AG's Security Academy and is a former penetration tester. 17th of February, 1st of April, 4th of June, 20th of August, and 11th of November, 2026, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Google's Project Genie generates short interactive virtual worlds from text prompts, and its announcement coincided with stock drops for major game companies. Take-Two, Roblox, and Unity fell by 7.93%, 13.17%, and 24.22% respectively. Genie outputs are limited to 60 seconds, lack scores, objectives, or sound, can show odd errors, and cannot be exported into traditional engines. DeepMind says Genie 3 was trained primarily on publicly available web data. The first Genie used over 200,000 hours of internet gaming videos. Creators fear copying and job displacement as executives push toward AI-driven game experiences. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.